You're the God I gave my soul to. You picked me up with the same hands that you had two gaping holes through. You gave me choice and so I chose you, but I never thought I would ever get to know you. The good shepherd who sees all, place me at your heel. Lord, let me be your sheepdog. I learned to listen to your whispers, your cues. You said let me use you. To discern between the lies, the truth, Lord, I pursue you. You point my toes when I travel on those lonely roads, surrounded by the blind and comatose. They have strayed so far, but each had come so close. Sometimes I feel cornered, like I'm on my own, but that's when you're oh so close. You're the cornerstone, and you took my heart of stone and gave me one of flesh. I used to avoid repentance, of that I must confess. But I placed you inside a void underneath my dying chest, between a layer of death, and now I am blessed. The good shepherd who sees all, place me at your heel. Lord, let me be your sheepdog. I learned to listen to your whispers, your cues. You said let me use you. To discern between the lies, the truth, Lord, I pursue you.